celebrations, imitating them. The Muslims don't have this. Coming to the bridal showers and the baby showers. This is not part of our tradition, our customs. For the bride, once she gets married, we have the walima. This is Islamic, a feast. We call people to eat, men and women segregated. Alhamdulillah, they have a good time. For the baby, we have on the 7th day what is known as aqiqah. Then this is okay. Go ahead with it, no problem. Now, when we come to bridal and baby showers, we find that the origin is un-Islamic. It was in the 19th century. They used to compensate the bride with some gifts because of the dowry she had to pay. And in Islam, men pay the dowry, not the other way around. And there are so many things associated to it. So, in short, this is not permissible to have bridal or baby showers. You want to visit the bride-to-be and give her gifts? Go ahead, but don't throw a party and don't call the party bridal shower. And likewise for the children, newborns, you want to give a gift to the parents? No problem. Go ahead and give it to them. This is halal, but not to have a specific celebration and to call people to it with such a name and function, and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best.